I am at the Huff and Even More Puff. I'm obsessed with this game. I'm sure most of everybody out there is. That's okay, you can get a mini and then you can start. I got the mini a couple times right before I landed the major. Anyway, land the grand. Or the super, baby, the super. The super's at 28. All right, so I put $100 in. I'm gonna do some low rolling here and see what happens. All right, let's go. 1 cent, $1. Let's see what happens. I want to see the Wolfie. I love the Wolfie. Come on. Oh, nice. I did the Howley. It wasn't the Howley, but it's the golden buzzsaw. Oh, I love this feature. All right, let's see what it is. It's a golden buzzsaw. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie. I've been chasing that super up there for a minute. It's at 28. Damn, I just want it so bad. You can do it. Oh God, stop at the grand. Oh, I'm getting super mansions. I'm getting super mansions. Ah, I got super mansions. Amazing. Should have been higher. Oh, and the super mansion. Oh, I love this feature. Super mansions. Oh yeah, that's right. Ooh, so many mansions. What did I say on the way here, baby? This is the first machine I had to go to. Now, don't do anything crazy. I really need you to act right here. Oh, let's do it. Hats, hats, hats. There you go. I need hats. I need the hats. Oh, come on. 3 hats, 3 hats, 3 at a time. We need 3 hats. Oh, come on. Okay, okay. You got one more chance here for 3 more hats. Hats, 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 hats. All right, I mean, it's a few mansions. It's better than no mansions. It's better than no mansions. Let's see what she does. And that super, that's what I'm here for. I'm here for the super Wolfie. Oh, Wolfie. Be nice. Nice! I'm not hating it. That's awesome. Not bad. All right, not a bad start. 4th spin. I'll take it. Sono is telling me to come to this machine on the whole drive here. It's like an hour from my house. I was like, I gotta go to that. I gotta go to that Huff and Puff. Not any other Huff and Puff. This Huff and Puff. Yay! 223. Amazing. Oh, all right. Oh, I need to bust out that stand. Oh, so close, so close, so close. Sorry. Oh, Wolfie, come out, buddy. All right, I'm gonna do the responsible thing, and when this hits 300, if it hits 300, I'm gonna cash it out and throw in a fresh hundo and keep working on it.